These are the elevators at the Courtyard by Marriott in Tampa, Florida. Looks like they're OS Series 1, but that's an Innovation Bruiser call station. And yep, they're Series 1 on the inside. Let's go 6. The motor's really quiet. Let's get a little look out. There's the hallway. Oh, it's shining on me. Let's go back down to 1. Interestingly enough, these are like gray rails. Or kind of, I don't know, not really silver, more of just a gray. As opposed to the typical black that is. So these are newer Series 1. There's your phone. ThyssenKrupp Help Link. Here's your cab view. And these are HIGHdraulic elevators. 6 stories isn't that uncommon, although it is on the higher side for hydraulic elevators. Let's send that one up and get this one. That was kind of loud. Let's go 6. This one makes a little more noise. I want to say it's a little faster too, but I could be wrong. Let's go back down to 1. Again, here are your fixtures. Here's your certificate. If we're stopping at 4. Alright, I picked up the video right where we left off. On 4 here, that is. It just left me. Wonderful. Okay, but anyway, here's your Innovation Bruiser call station. Trying to adjust the lighting so you can see what the color is. It's more red. It may appear pink on camera. And I guess we're gonna be running this one down. And here's the hallway. And again, there's actually I don't know. For all I know, there are floors with Series 1 intermediate call stations. But 4 isn't. And again, I just adjusted the lighting to reflect like the true color of the panel. Same goes for the indicator actually. Because when I don't, that is what it looks like. When I do, there it is. Alright. Oh, and it just went back down to 1. Who knows, maybe that just parks on 1. There it goes, and that'll be it.